Hi everyone, my name is Mike Halsey and welcome to my course Windows 10 Troubleshooting Part 1. I'm a Microsoft MVP and the author of 20 books and 15 Pluralsight courses on Windows, troubleshooting and best practice. Diagnosing, troubleshooting and repairing problems with PCs efficiently and effectively is crucial to maintain productivity in today's connected age. This course is designed to get you started with troubleshooting many types of problem on Windows 10 PCs. Some of the major topics that we will include are using remote access and assistance tools to support end users, the different reporting and monitoring tools in the operating system, how to manage recovery, restoration and use the recovery environment, and how to safe boot systems and manage and troubleshoot Windows Update. By the end of this course you'll know everything you need to get started as a proficient troubleshooter. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into more advanced Windows 10 troubleshooting with my Windows 10 Troubleshooting Part 2 Pluralsight course. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn troubleshooting with the Windows 10 Troubleshooting Part 1 course at Pluralsight.